I have so much food on my shirt. I have so much food on my shirt. Oh no, I like this shirt. Alright guys, this is Stephanie, Simple Care Steph. I guess I can refer to myself as that since that's what I go by on social media. We are going to talk about essential oils again today and wrinkles. Everyone's favorite topic. Did I push start? Yep, just like always, you did. Okay, so wrinkles. Everybody wants to figure out how in the heck to get rid of wrinkles, how to stop wrinkles, all of that stuff, and sorry to burst your bubble, but there's not a whole lot that you can do. Unless you want to opt for a surgical option, they're just part of aging, so yeah. They're just part of life. Unfortunately, there are a lot of cosmetics and other types of companies that will prey on the fact that people want to get rid of wrinkles and promise you things that just aren't gonna happen. So knowing that we can't really do a whole lot to get rid of wrinkles or like completely prevent them from ever happening, there are a few things that we can do to minimize the likelihood of them happening in the future, to kind of protect our skin. And there are things that we can do to kind of promote our skin to sort of regenerate itself, hopefully getting rid of the appearance of wrinkles and lines and spots and all of that stuff. So today I'm going to be talking about 5 different essential oils that you can use to kind of help fight and prevent wrinkles and signs of aging. If you are not familiar with essential oils and you're not really sure how to use them, or if you're not really sure how to use them, I have a video that I did a few years ago actually called How I Use Essential Oils, but the information is still pretty much the same. You can check that video if you want to find out some different ways that I kind of incorporated into my skincare routine and ways that you can use essential oils on your skin. You want to make sure that you are diluting your essential oil properly so that you are getting the effectiveness of the essential oil, but you are not irritating your skin on any level. So there are a lot of different ways that essential oils can actually contribute to helping fighting and preventing and reversing kind of wrinkles, and I'll kind of go over some different ways that they do that and some essential oils that kind of fall into those categories. So let's get into it. A lot of essential oils have antioxidant properties. Excuse me. And antioxidants are very important when it comes to anti-aging because they kind of help protect your skin from free radical damage, from toxins, from environmental factors. So they're very protective for your skin. So they're definitely something that you want to keep in your skincare routine, keep in your diet, so that you've got like a strong defense against all the stuff that kind of leads to aging skin in the first place. Antioxidants really kind of help your cells. Why can't I say this sentence? Antioxidants really help keep your cells from breaking down. It kind of helps prevent signs of aging and things like that in the future. And one of the essential oils that is very well known for being high in antioxidants is carrot seed oil. Carrot seed oil actually has some benefits to help repair skin as well. Carrot seed oil is very effective for preventing damage from the sun, which can lead to wrinkles and fine lines and skin discoloration and things like that. So carrot seed oil is very effective for things like that. It's high in antioxidants, and it also has some ability to help repair skin, which is obviously important when we're talking about damage. So carrot seed oil, like a lot of other oils, also has anti-inflammatory benefits, which is actually another way that we can help kind of fight wrinkles. So inflammation can actually be a good thing. It's not necessarily a bad thing. It's how your body responds. Inflammation is your body's response to a stress or injury or some type of and that's why when you get a bruise or a scrape or you break your leg or you have an allergy, you swell. That is your body's natural response to being triggered. That can happen internally where you can't see what's going on. So it's not just an external thing. And when that becomes a problem is when your body kind of stays in that state of inflammation and it doesn't go back to just its normal function. You can think of it kind of like if somebody, scared the crap out of you and your adrenaline shoots up and you're in that state of like, oh. So that's kind of what your body stays in when your body is in an inflamed state. Anti-inflammatory things kind of help calm things down. They help bring your body back down to its normal functioning level. So just like when you are not going to, be at your best and healthiest and respond the best to things when you are stressed out and out of balance and out of whack, your body isn't either. And it's actually believed that inflammation is one of the most primary factors for disease. Where's my water? You can also fight wrinkles by drinking water. Like I said, carrot seed oil has antioxidant and anti-inflammatory benefits. Another oil that has anti-inflammatory benefits that is great for your skin is patchouli oil. So there has been some research that shows patchouli is very effective in firming up skin and preventing signs of aging. So patchouli oil, like the above, has the same kind of properties, being both antioxidant and anti-inflammatory, but patchouli also has some ability to kind of fight photoaging. So photoaging is the effect that the sun has on our skin, which actually increases the visibility of wrinkles and fine lines. So patchouli can be kind of effective against photoaging. Sandalwood oil is another oil that falls into the anti-inflammatory category. It's been used for a very long time on skin, has wonderful skin benefits. I keep burping. Has wonderful skin benefits, and sandalwood oil actually has some really cool properties to help skin actually hold in more moisture. So it has great moisturizing abilities, which of course is going to be great for fighting wrinkles because dry skin and saggy, unhealthy skin are kind of what causes it in the first place. So there are also some essential oils that you may have heard of that are astringent. The astringency is great for toning and tightening. It's not going to be something that is a completely permanent effect if you were, nothing is a permanent effect. But, with use over time, it can have a very good impact on the visibility. So astringent oils can have a toning and tightening effect over time with kind of continued use, which can also help prevent wrinkles from developing in the future because it's helping kind of keep your skin toned and tightened, and it's not really allowing for those creases and wrinkles to develop. So when we are talking about astringent oils, rosemary oil is actually a really great oil to use for your skin. It has that astringency, so it's going to give your skin a more toned, firmer appearance and, hopefully kind of help you in the long run to keep that toned and tightened appearance. Aside from being astringent, rosemary oil has, of course, lots of other benefits. One of these days, guys, I'm gonna be able to get my words out in an English sentence that makes sense, but not today. So yes, aside from the astringent properties, rosemary oil obviously has great benefits for skin. It's high in antioxidants. It's been shown to kind of help reduce the oxidative, I think I probably said that wrong, damage that, is kind of just from environmental factors on your skin. So the last thing I want to kind of mention before I get to the last essential oil with wrinkles is I can't really talk about wrinkles and aging without talking about collagen and elastin, because they are two of the most important factors to consider when we are talking about wrinkles and aging and things like that, because wrinkles and lines pretty much form when collagen and elastin break down and aren't in your body in high amounts. They do break down over time. That can be from so many different things, and then your body just starts producing less of it over time. So encouraging that collagen production and protecting the elastin and collagen that's in your skin cells is very important for maintaining the structure of skin and the tone and tightness and evenness and health and all of that. So, they're important. That's why stimulating new cell growth is so important. So we want to keep those skin cells healthy and regenerate them and produce new ones if the ones that we have are not healthy. The last oil that I'm going to be talking about is not only astringent, but it can help us in the cell regeneration, quest. Now, frankincense oil has so many wonderful properties. One of the things that makes frankincense oil really amazing for skin is that it is cytophylactic, which means that it actually encourages and helps the body to produce new cells. It helps keep your skin elastic, it helps keep you from aging quickly, and it can even help reduce dark spots and correct uneven skin tone because we are forming healthy new skin cells. So it's not the only oil that has this property, but it definitely does have it. Frankincense also is astringent, so it has the ability to kind of tone and tighten skin and just, lead to a better overall appearance. And on this topic, I do want to say that I'm not trying to promote, don't grow old or don't embrace the way that you look, because we're all gonna get old and we're all gonna be affected by the world. And I love to laugh. I have smile lines here, all over, because I like to be expressive with my face. I like to be out in the sun. I like to snowboard. I like to hike. And you know what? If I get wrinkles because I'm enjoying my life, because I'm laughing and I'm having fun outside, that's okay with me, because that means I'm living a good life, and the wrinkles and lines on my face they're part of my story. So while I think it is important to take care of yourself, and obviously we live in a superficial world where appearance can be important and how you feel about yourself is important, and if something is making you uncomfortable or not making you feel your best, then of course, try to work on it. But I just, I hope that you maintain a healthy body image and a healthy perception of yourself, and that you are not chasing perfection and fixing, what you imagine to be wrong with your face because you're trying to look like some photoshopped image of something that doesn't really exist. I take steps to kind of combat wrinkles and fight things, and obviously I want to take care of what I was given, but that's not going to stop me from living life. And you can't let that influence you too much or affect you too much, because there's just so much going on in this world and so many other things to worry about and focus on and enjoy. If you get wrinkles, screw it. Somebody doesn't like you because you have wrinkles, screw them. Oh well. So I know that's kind of a weird tangent when I'm talking about anti-aging things, but I just, I don't know what I'm trying to say. I do want to teach and explain about anti-aging procedures and things that can help in the natural way, because people want to know and it's important, and even I want to know, but there's a line, There's a line where you're chasing something that is just, you're never gonna get there, and so you're never gonna be happy. So I'm rambling again. I'll stop. Oh, okay, so my battery died and I forgot what I was talking about. Lucky you. Probably going off on some kind of a dumb tangent. So that's it. I'll stop talking. That's all we got for today. So just to kind of recap, the essential oils that I talked about today are carrot seed oil, sandalwood oil, frankincense, sandalwood, carrot seed, patchouli, sandalwood, rosemary, and frankincense. Yes! If you guys want to check out any more tips, check out my other videos, or you can you can go to my blog on simplecareproducts.com/blog, because there's so much information and it is written in English that you can understand, unlike my videos. You can also follow me over on Instagram at simplecaresteph if you want more daily, kind of regular updates. And please remember to like this video and subscribe if you liked it. I would very much appreciate it. It lets me know kind of what you want to watch. Otherwise, it's just a guess. So I feel like I have forgotten so much. I don't remember. So I will see you guys in the next video, and yeah. Bye!